Good morning, students. Today's lecture is about proportion. Now see, in a proportion, the second and the third elements are called means of a proportion, and the first and the fourth elements are called extremes of a proportion. Now see, first element, ratio, second element, proportion, third element, ratio, fourth element. So now according to the definition, second and the third elements are called means of a proportion, and the first and fourth elements are called extremes of a proportion. Right? Now see the formula, product of means. Product means multiplication. Product of means is equals to product of extremes. So B multiplied with C, right, is equals to A multiplied with D. Right, students? So this is the formula. Product of means is equals to product of extremes. Okay, students. Now see exercise 6.2. Question number 1. Find the value of P in each of the following. Now see first part, 2 over 5. One fraction is equals to P over 20. Now both the quantities given to you in the form of fraction. Right? Now solution, 2 over 5 convert into ratio. 2 ratio 5, proportion P ratio 20. Now we know that according to the formula, outer extremes, right, and inner means. And you can see in means, P variable is given. So we have to find the value of P. So it means means come first. Product of means is equals to product of extremes. So now 5 multiplied with P is equals to 2 multiplied with 20. Right, friends? Now divide 5 on both sides. Right? 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 1 is 5. Just P is left. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. So 2 times 4 is 8. So value of the P is equals to 8. Right? Now come to the part 3. 0.1 over 0.4 is equal to 6 over P. Again fraction convert into ratio. 0.1 ratio 0.4, proportion 6 ratio P. Now you can see, students, we have to find the value of P, and P is the fourth proportion. And P is comes in the extremes. So it means extremes come first. Product of extremes is equals to product of means. 0.1 multiplied with P is equals to 0.4 multiplied with 6. Divide 0.1 on both sides. Right? 0.1 divided by 0.1, just P is left. 0.4 multiplied with 6. 2.4 divided by 0.1. Now students, remove the decimal from here. So multiply and divided by 10. 2.4 multiplied with 10, answer is 24. 0.1 multiplied with 10, answer is 1. So 24 over 1, answer is 24. So P is equals to 24. Right, students? Okay, students, now see question number 2. Find the value of X in each of the following proportion. Now see part 3. 1.2 ratio 3.6, proportion X ratio 3. Now outer extremes and inner means. In means we have to find the value of X. So means come first. Product of means is equals to product of extremes. 3.6 multiplied with X. 1.2 multiplied with 3. Now you can see 1.2 multiplied with 3. So divide 3.6 on both sides. Divide 3.6 on both sides. 3.6 cancel with each other. just x is left, and here 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 1 is 3, 0.3 times 2 is 6, and 1.2 cancel, just 1 is left. So x is equals to 1. Right, students? Now students, note down homework questions. Now students, note down, these are the homework questions. Question number 1, part 2 is your homework. Question number 2, part 1, part 2 and part 4 is your homework. And question number 4 is your homework of the exercise 6.2. Okay students, in question number 4, you have to find the fourth proportion. So it means that the value of fourth proportion, you have to put the variable x. Okay, thank you.